So I'm gonna try not to yell. Babe's in the room asleep. I just woke up and I'm about to make him I'm about to make him some fried chicken and waffles because that's what I wanted today for lunch. So that's what we're about to make. Let's take a sneak peek at him, see if he's still sleeping. I hear his fan on. Let's see. We gotta be quiet. Him still asleep. So we had s'mores last night. As you can see, we forgot to put it up. Don't do drugs, except it's not a drug, it's a plant, but you know, same difference. Anyway, let me see if my chicken, it is thawed. Let me see where, I don't even know where I'm gonna put y'all up at. How are y'all doing? How's your quarantine? I feel like we don't get on here and do like enough talky type of vlogs. I also don't like holding my hand out like this. I guess you gotta do what you gotta do, right? What else did I say I was making? Well, that was nothing but ice. Literally ice as I opened my freezer. Look at all this. What the heck? What is happening? Bruh, look at all of this ice. Why is it falling out? I don't get it. Why is it falling out? Anyway, let me just grab these waffles. Should I make French toast? We also have French toast. Y'all, look at this ice compartment. It's filled with ice. What the heck? I'll be back. Give me a second. We're back. This is what our chicken is looking like right now. We got a couple of them in here. I don't really know how to make fried chicken. I don't know when they're finished, so yeah. But this is our TV stand. It came today. It's gonna go here, and that's gonna go in the trash. Also, Honey is awake. You're not gonna say hi to the folks?
Still asleep.
Him still asleep. That's a sleepy baby. So we're almost done. Got the last little bit in there. Here's the others. Babe is gonna put together our TV stand. I keep wanting to call it a nightstand.
It's man shit. This is what men do.
Do you think it's heavy?
Huh?
Do you think it's heavy?
It's heavy, but it's not like, oh damn, I can't carry it through the park of my head.
Look, watch me.
You gonna break your damn back. That is all back lifting. Look at the form in the back.
It's not even lifting. I can't even pick it up.
Ooh. All right, babe, that's enough. You're gonna snap your shit up. Take the fan.
This was so hard to bring in. All right, so we're about to do an unboxing of our TV stand. We got this from where, babe?
All Modern? Yeah, All Modern, holla at me. Y'all got some good shit. You ain't never shopped on there before? You're old.
What you said?
They're old.
Oh, they're old.
Old.
You old.
Old.
Dang.
This is what I gotta turn into the thing. So I'll be back with y'all and show y'all what it look like after it's done.
All right. We're back. It's been like, I don't know, like 5 hours maybe? Maybe 3.
It did not take me 5 hours to fix that.
No. We've been doing shit all day. But this is You want to introduce it since you know you're the Bob the Builder in here and stuff?
This is our new addition to the family.
Woohoo! Ready?
Stan.
Look how cute!
His name is Stan.
No, our tree's name is Stan.
No.
Yes.
His name is Stan too.
Cause he stands?
Cause he a TV Stan.
No, he can be Stan 2.0.
That's a lot to say.
Stan Part 2.
Stan Part 2.
Okay.
There we go.
Stan Jr.
Bro, give us some damn comment down below how you would decorate your stand if you had this one. I feel like we got ideas, but we would love to see what y'all would do.
What y'all thoughts are?
Yeah, all you damn fashion designers and people who think you can decorate. We want to see what the heck you would do with that.
Now we're going, I want to say bohemian, right?
That's the style you want.
We like that style. I love green plants. So whatever you say, it must incorporate a green plant of some sort. What you gotta say? You gotta say anything or are we done?
Is we done? Is we done?
I think we is. I don't know. I think that's from a movie.
That was from the movie?
Maybe.
Wait, no, that was Birdman when he walked.
That was Birdman?
Stop playing with my name.
Put some respect on my name.
All three of y'all. As we done, as we done. Let's deal. Put that fucking clip in. Birdman, you wrong with that shit, man. Alright, yeah, that's about it for me, man. So, we'll see you guys again. I'm gonna get this edited out. Apparently, y'all like vlogs more than y'all like the regular videos. We'll do more vlogs for y'all as well as keep the regular video on. But yeah, that's about it. Go ahead. I'm gonna shoot your punk ass.
Go ahead.